We don't got any heat in this truck, or AC, or any air really, so we gotta fix it. Fixing on this guy here, this little blower motor. You gotta take the glove box off, and then you scoot your eyes in there. Got two little wires. They pop off, and now you're ready to take the cover off. This little cover here, it just slips on over that piece. Pull it up and over. And then there's another one yonder. And the whole thing just pops off. Throw it anywhere you need. And now you come in and you got these little guys there. I think there's 5 of them. Each one of these guys is a 7. Put them anywhere. And the blower motor just pops on out like that. Now you might be asking yourself, why are we replacing this? And it's because this one likes to catch on fire. We went to the junkyard and throw our old one away, and we can put this new one on. As the manual usually says, installation is reverse of removal. So you just pop this guy back in here, just like that. After you get all your 7mm bolts back in, don't hook up your wires just yet, because you got to put the little cover guy back on. This is that top part that slips over the top part there, and then you got these little alignment tabs there, and one on the bottom. So, you know, do your best to get that lined up. Almost forgot one of the most important parts. You're going to want to put that hose on before you put this little cover back on. Just like that, we got that cover on. Now we get to hook up our wires. We tucked them up in here somewhere. Now remember, purple to orange and black to black, because that makes sense, Chevy. And now the moment of truth. Come over here, turn that guy on. The beeping will go away here momentarily. Can you guys feel that? Look at this. No smoke coming out of that guy. And this is just a good steady stream of air. This might be a win. And a big shout out to Haynes, because we're not real smart and we don't know how to do most things. We did reference the manual on this thing, and well, I'll tell you, it helped out. If you don't have one of these, you might want to go ahead and grab one. They make them online now. You just get a click through and, you know, open it up and search different things. It's a pretty slick system.